What's up guys, Mike Builds. Welcome back to another quick video. In this video, we're just gonna do some mail time unboxing. It's just something kind of different. I'm trying just to put out some more videos on the channel. I do wanna start doing more and more videos for you guys. Unfortunately, because of my work schedule, I really don't have time during the week to dedicate more time to the YouTube channel, but I wanna keep producing content and kind of keep you guys excited for future videos. So in this video, we're just gonna go over a bunch of stuff I ordered in the mail. I'm gonna show you guys just a couple things that I ordered and kind of explain some future projects that we have with those items, just to kind of get you guys excited if that's kind of what you're looking forward to. Just to kind of show y'all some of the stuff I have coming down the video pipeline, I guess you could say, and explain to you guys some of the video ideas that I have coming up. So I'm just gonna show you guys a couple things. You guys can leave your input in the comments, what you guys think about the equipment we're getting, and then let me know if there's anything specific you guys wanna see me use any of this stuff on, or if you guys want me to do separate reviews for everything, or whatever y'all wanna see. It's really up to y'all, but I just wanna get some video out because I really haven't had time to make full-length videos. And to be honest with you guys, I just wanna get some content on the channel. And if this video doesn't do that good, that's totally okay. Just wanna kinda document what I got going on and give myself some ideas and some motivation. So let me know what you guys think. Enjoy the video. Oh, it's Christmas every day. Oh yeah, got a new battery to review for you guys, but first, I got some packages. So let's see what's in these packages. We got another new current meter because I used one of these in my previous build and I like these so much that I decided to buy another one. This is what we use for all our testing, and this is my personal go-to battery meter for any sort of amps, watts display, as well as batteries. Battery state of charge is easy to program. This, I want to do its own separate video showing you guys all the features of this, how to hook it up, because I have had a lot of people ask me about it. So I have a brand new one that we can mess with. And the other thing, which doesn't really have to do with batteries, this is a bicycle like trailer hitch assembly, right, for a project. Let me explain real quick. So right here, kind of shoved in the corner, I have a Sur-Ron. This thing is freaking awesome. I originally did a video when I first bought this thing, just kind of me riding it around. Sorry about the lighting, it's really bad. But anyways, using that little bicycle hitch, we're actually gonna build a trailer with this and put a generator to make a range extender. So that's gonna be a kind of a cool project. Look forward to that if you're interested. That way we can see, I don't know how far we can ride this thing with a little generator range extender. So that'll be kind of cool. This one, see what we got. Okay, let's see here, something electrical related. This is a solar charge controller. Gonna be doing some cool solar stuff coming up. So we got a solar charge controller. We got a pure sine wave 500 watt inverter, 12 volt. We got some 50 amp mega fuses, a bunch of 8 gauge silicone wire. This stuff's really nice. Some copper lugs to crimp on some 8 gauge wire. Some nice but cheap fuse holders. It's a mega fuse holder. I got 2 of them. We have a 100 watt solar panel. Kind of hard to see in there, but it's a 100 watt solar panel. All right guys, so what we're doing with all this equipment here is in a future video, we're gonna be building a very budget, easy to build, easy to follow along at home solar power system. My plan is to make a very easy step-by-step video that you guys at home can follow if you want to try to build your own solar power system. This is going to be a very basic, very beginner video. So these are all the components we're going to use. When I actually go to make the video, I'm actually going to go over them more in detail. All the components here I purchased are some of the cheapest components I could get my hands on because I'm trying to keep this as budget friendly as possible. If y'all want to try to build this yourselves, you can kind of put together using these type of components, maybe similar components or the same components, a very good, very budget and very simple solar power system. So that's the goal here. I just kind of wanted to show it because the mail just got here and I was excited to show you guys and I wanted to look at it myself. The only thing not in the stack that we need is a battery, but I got plenty of 12 volt batteries. So we're just gonna pick a random one to use. I'll try to probably use the cheapest one because this is gonna be more of a budget build. So look forward to that video. All right guys, we got another package. Let's see what's in this one. Another solar charge controller, it appears. So I ended up buying 2 different, what I would consider budget charge controllers. Both of these cost about the same. This one was about 40 bucks. I believe this one was like 38. Originally, my plan was to just use this PWM controller and do a budget solar power system, which I'm still going to do. We're still gonna do that video. But I also wanted to scoop up the cheapest MPPT charge controller that we could also get because in my opinion, I would almost always rather spend the money and get a MPPT charge controller versus a PWM, just because you get higher efficiencies with these. Most of the time you can also put higher voltages on these. This one is kind of the exception though, because this you can put up to 100 volts in, which is kind of rare for a PWM controller. And it can also do multiple voltages of batteries, whatever your setup is running. So let's open this one up real quick and take a quick look at it. Look at that. Heatsink on the back. That's what your ports look like. 2 USB ports, that's pretty cool. And here's what the PWM ports look like. Also, I would consider acceptable. What's cool about this one though, I think this little thing comes down and that's where you can actually tighten your connections at. This controller, I believe, is rated to 20 amps. So this is a 20 amp controller. This is a 30 amp. So technically this one is more powerful, but I do believe you'll get, if you're not pushing these things to the absolute limit or you don't need the 10 extra amps, for the price, I would rather get this one. So we're gonna do some testing on these to see which one is actually better. We're gonna put the same battery, the same solar panel, and all the wiring is gonna be the same, and we're actually gonna see which one of these gives us more power. We're gonna actually do a real world test with perfect skies. I'm gonna try to match the conditions as close as possible just to see what kind of advantages we do get with the MPPT charge controller. So that will be interesting to see. Almost forgot, guys, we also do have a 100 amp hour DC house battery to test. And I may actually end up getting the eco-worthy version of this battery as well, because apparently the DC house and the eco-worthy batteries are very, very similar. So we'll be doing a full review on this battery and just kind of seeing what we think about it. But that's it for mail time, guys. This is all the cool stuff we have to play with. Let me know in the comments if you guys have used any of these products or tried any of this stuff, and let me know if there's anything specific you want to see me do with it. Once again, guys, thank you all so much for watching, and look forward to the videos of all this stuff.